How to set up the AntaRx-Si3 smart antenna. Hello everyone, my name is Linda, and in today's video I will walk you through on how to set up the AntaRx-Si3 smart antenna. The AntaRx-Si3 smart antenna delivers 3D attitude and highly accurate positioning whether you are in open sky conditions or in challenging environments. Let's dive in. The AntaRx-Si3 is a multi-frequency, multi-constellation GNSS INS smart antenna with support for 4G cellular network in both Europe and the US, and housed in a rugged IP69K enclosure, ensuring durability in harsh environments. The AntaRx-Si3 also features a user-friendly web interface accessible via Ethernet or USB, making the setup configuration simple. Additionally, the AntaRx-Si3 contains 16 GB of internal memory for internal data logging. To set up the antenna, first, we need to define the vehicle frame and its orientation. In the positioning industry, the x-axis runs from the back of the vehicle to the front, that is, positive from the back to front. For the y-axis, positive from left to right, and the z-axis, positive from top to bottom. It's essential to consider the mounting direction of the receiver and its IMU within the vehicle's frame, as the motion calculated from the INS should reference the vehicle's orientation, not just the IMU position. To set the IMU orientation, you can input the angles through the WebUI or by using the command set IMU orientation. If the angles are unknown, the orientation helper can suggest the correct angles with the antenna pointing skyward and aligned with the vehicle's front, and in addition, which direction is the connector of the receiver pointing. To confirm the accuracy of your input, whether you entered manually or via the helper, an image of the selected orientation in degrees will be displayed on the right side. Moreover, a key aspect of setting up the AntaRx-Si3 is the lever arm, which is already compensated internally by default. This means you do not need to adjust it unless you want to specify a point of interest at a location other than the IMU. The point of interest can be any specific spot on the vehicle where the most accurate positioning data is needed. The AntaRx-Si3 receiver can utilize velocity data from the external sensor, such as a wheel speed sensor, to improve INS accuracy during GNSS outage. The velocity data should follow the preparatory message format and must align with the vehicle's reference frame. For optimum results, the velocity data should be provided at 2 Hz. Finally, it's important to initialize the INS filter. This is a two-step process. First, the system must remain stationary for at least 5 seconds after the GNSS position is acquired, allowing the system to complete static alignment. During this phase, the AntaRx-Si3 uses the gravity vector to initialize the pitch and roll angles. Then, the vehicle must move in various directions to allow the antenna to calibrate its sensor. Once completed, the system is fully aligned and ready to provide accurate positioning and attitude information. Whether you're tracking vehicles, managing fleets, or navigating through rough terrain, you can trust the AntaRx-Si3 to deliver. To explore more information and access detailed documentation, visit the support page on our official website. You will also find a variety of helpful articles in the knowledge base section. If you need to report technical issues, navigate to the Report a Problem page. For further technical assistance, you can click on the Request Information page. Thank you for watching.